As many long-time viewers of you might already know, your boy's currently in the process of battle shipping his content, and yes, that's an actual thing in the world of vlogging. This means that I'm going through all of my older posts, seeing if they need updating, and then redirecting them to brand new URLs to boost their rankings in Google, hopefully. Now, while I thought that redirecting would be quite an easy thing to do, the truth is, it's a little bit of a tricky one that took your boy a little bit of time to figure out. As such, I'm going to dive into the exact step-by-step process that I follow to help redirect some of my posts and give you a direct example of how to do that. So let's jump into it. Step one, get your posts ready. So first up, we need to get both of our posts ready. The first post will be the post that we don't want anymore, where we want to redirect the traffic from. And the second post would just simply be the new post where we basically want to drive all that traffic to. Now for this example, I'm just going to use this dummy website of mine that gets literally zero traffic every single month. So it's a terrible example, but a good website to test things out on. So for this example, we're just going to use these two dummy posts here. Neither of these get very much traffic at all, to be perfectly honest with you, and this entire website is a bit of a joke. Not my finest work. So this post here is basically the post that I no longer want on the website. I want to get rid of it. As you can tell, it's just a bit of a test. And I basically want to redirect any and all traffic coming from this URL here to this URL here. Step two, download the redirection plugin. So now you know which URLs you want to point and direct traffic to. The next thing you want to do is simply download a plugin called the redirection plugin. Now it should be fairly straightforward to download and install, so I'll show you how to do it right now as we dive into the computer. So the first thing you want to do is go into your WordPress dashboard, scroll all the way down to plugins and select add new. Here then, if you just scroll down a little bit, you can search for the plugin called Redirect. And then this here is the app that you want to download, the plugin rather, that you want to download. 605 reviews, it was updated 3 weeks ago, so it's a very good app to use there. You want to hit install now. Whoop, give it a second, sometimes it takes a bit of time. There you go, and then you want to whack activate. So once that's done, then what you want to do is you want to click on this link here that says redirection setup, and then you'll just have to follow the steps here. It's very straightforward. I basically completely ignored this, so all you want to do is click start setup. I ignored both of these as well, and then just press continue, continue. Just wait for this to load. Finish setup. This should also load up pretty quickly. Press continue. Ready to begin, and there we go. Now what we want to do is make sure that the URL points to the right URL. So what we're going to do once again is convert this page and transfer all the traffic from this page basically going into this page here. So all we need to do is copy the URL, which I'll do at the top there. Don't know if you can see that. So this is the URL that we want to drive traffic from. And then we basically want to drive all the traffic to this URL here. Add redirect. And then that will be done. Then hopefully, if you go back to our home page, which we see here, all we do is if we click on this link here, there you go. It directly links us to this other post as opposed to what the original post there showed, which is fantastic. So that redirection has been set up now. Now, one of the other things that I would do in this particular instance, if you are going to redirect posts, is just to delete that original content, just so it's not on the website there as well. So I just go into posts, scroll down to your posts, and then just delete this post here. Trash. Because it's trash. So there you go, gang. That's pretty much how to set up a redirect, or how I did it. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you're struggling with that. If there are any other apps that you use that you want me to maybe dive into a bit more detail on, more than happy to do that. Until the next one, wishing you the best of luck with your blogs. Hopefully you'll exceed your expectations over the next couple of months. And as always, if you're interested in more videos around blogging, personal development, side hustles, any of those kinds of things, absolutely smash the like and subscribe button. It really does help out the channel. Until the next one, all the best, and I'll leave you to it. Have a good one, guys. Bye.